How to renew your real estate license in New York. Renewing your New York State real estate license is an online procedure that involves only a few basic steps. In New York, you must renew your real estate license every 2 years if you plan to continue providing real estate services. If your license expires, you will not be permitted to perform real estate activities. There is no grace period for renewing your license. Do you want to know how to renew your real estate license in New York? In this video, we will walk you through a few easy steps to get your license renewed in time. You must meet the following requirements in order to be able to renew your New York real estate license. Complete your 22.5 hours continuing education course, log into the Access New York portal, submit your renewal application, and finally, pay the fee. There are 2 types of license renewal: a first-time renewal and your second and subsequent renewals. Step 1. Complete the continuing education. In order to renew your real estate license, you must complete 22.5 hours of approved continuing education from a New York Department of State-approved school and course provider, which includes the following new continuing education requirements. If your real estate license expires before July 1st, 2021, you need to complete at least 22.5 hours of continuing education credit. You must take 3 hours of continuing education based on fair housing or discrimination in the renting, sale, or interest of real property. If you are renewing your license for the first time, you must take a minimum of 2 hours of continuing education based on real estate agency law. For your second and subsequent renewals, you must take a minimum of 1 hour of real estate agency law. There are 17.5 hours of electives for first renewal and 18.5 hours of electives for second and subsequent renewals. If your real estate license expires after July 1st, 2021, you must meet the new continuing education requirements. At that point, all New York real estate agents who want to renew will need at least 3 hours of New York real estate continuing education based on fair housing or discrimination. 1 hour of the New York Online Real Estate Continuing Education course must be focused on real estate agency law. 2 hours of agency law are required if you are renewing your license for the first time. Also, 2.5 hours of ethical business practices includes National Association of Realtors, Code of Ethics Training Plus. 1 hour of recent legal matters may include statutes, laws, regulations, rules, codes, DOS opinions and decisions, and court decisions. There are 14 hours of electives for your first renewal and 15 hours of electives for second and subsequent renewals. Continuing education exemptions. Prior to July 1st, 2021, there are a couple of special cases where you can skip the continuing education. 1. When you are a lawyer with the New York State Bar who has a real estate broker's license. 2. When you have been a full-time licensed broker for at least 15 consecutive years prior to 2008. Please note, after July 1st, 2021, there are no 15 years licensed broker exemption to the continued education requirements. Step 2. Log in to the Access New York portal. The real estate license expiration date will be printed on the license itself. You are eligible to renew 3 months prior to the expiration date. Around this time period, you should receive reminders via email and mail about your renewal date. You will then use eAccess New York to renew your license. Step 3. Submit your renewal application. Agents and brokers have to submit their renewals online. Paper forms are no longer an option. You can renew online through your Access New York account. There will be a renewal link available 3 months before your license expires. You will get an email reminder with instructions 90 days before your license expires. Step 4. Pay the fee. Renew your New York real estate salesperson license. So grab your credit card because you will need to pay that fee in the Access NY portal as part of the renewal application. If you fail to renew your license on time, you will be required to pass the state-written exam and submit a new license application and pay the fee. Don't forget to follow us on our social media. Thank you for watching.